Hey guys, so today I have my FabFitFun box for the winter season, so let's get into it. Okay, so first you always get your little FabFitFun magazine that tells you about the products and how to use them and such, so we'll look at that in a minute. Then you get a $60 gift card, $20 off your first 3 deliveries plus free shipping for HelloFresh. Okay, now the first product I see in here is from Blaq, and these are the eye masks with hyaluronic acid. This has 5 eye masks in it. So I really like eye masks. I don't feel like they really do long-term things, but they feel really nice and refreshing under your eyes before makeup. So I will definitely try these out. Okay, so first thing in here are these Blaq eye masks. There are 5 eye masks and it says they have hyaluronic acid in them. So these are good for depuffing under your eyes and just giving you a nice refreshing feel under there. I really like eye masks for that. And these retail for $29. Next in here is this Ahava hydration cream mask. So this is supposed to be a mask you can leave on for 3 to 5 minutes or leave on all night. It's just a nighttime mask to give you some hydration. So I have dry skin, so I'll definitely use this, and it retails for $33. Next in here is this Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick. I love their lipsticks, so this is great. And this is in the shade Meringue. This lipstick formula is really creamy and really great. It smells like pink lemonade. It's amazing. So here is the shade Meringue. Just a nice pinky nude, so I will definitely use this. And these lipsticks retail for $26. Next in here is by Thrive Causemetics, and this is their Brilliant Eye Brightener. This is their highlighting stick in the shade Stella. So this retails for $24, and let's see what it looks like. So it's just like a slight sheen. So this would be good for putting in the inner corners. I think I'll try that right now, actually. Okay, so there it is on the inner corner. You can see it just gives your eye a nice little pop. It says that you can use this on your brow bone, your lids, your waterline, and your inner corners. So I think this is really neat, just especially for inner corners. It just gets right in there. You don't have to get a tiny brush to put eyeshadow there. So I really like this. I think the color is really nice, so I will be using this more. Okay, next in here is this Anthropology and Mer-Sea for Beauty Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream. And it's hollow. So let's see what this smells like. That's the important part. Definitely coconut sugar smell. So, ooh, it feels very moisturizing too. Definitely like this, and this retails for $24. Okay, next in here is from Richer Pore, and these are over the knee textured socks. So, let's see how these feel. Nice socks to wear with boots during the winter. Ooh, so yes, they're very long. And they feel really nice and thick. So I feel like they'd keep your legs really warm if you had boots on. Ooh, yes, I really like these. I don't have any over the knee socks to wear with my boots, so those are great, and they retail for $24. Okay, so next in here is from Oribe, and this is the Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. I already have a bottle of this and I really like it. It's a really great dry shampoo, but it's very expensive. This retails for $44, but it works really, really great. And it adds some texture to your hair and it smells like rich people. It's really great. Next in here we have this Mark and Graham Colorblock Throw, and mine is in, I think, gray and ivory. So let's open this up. Feels very cozy, so that's great. Ooh. Okay, so here it is. Yeah, it's white and gray, and it's just a nice cozy throw. It's kind of, it's like very warm, but it's not thick. So I feel like this would be really great just to cozy up on the couch with. And it's very cozy. I like it. And this retails for $49. All right, and lastly, we have from Bearpaw. This is the combo set headband and pop top glove duo. Okay, so here's one of the gloves. It has like the little finger cutouts, and then you can put the little mitten over. So these feel really warm and comfy and they fit really good. So I really like these. I think I'll use those today because it's snowing outside. And then to go with it, you have this nice headband. Keep your ears warm. Ooh, yes, yes. This is super comfy feeling. I really like this. So I think I'll use this set today when I leave because it's snowing out and freezing. And this set retails for $45. All right, so let's go over the things you could have gotten that I did not. Instead of the gloves and headband, you could have gotten a Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask for your hair. And instead of the Oribe dry shampoo, you could have gotten a jewelry portfolio, which is just like a zip-up book with hooks for your jewelry, I guess. Or you could have gotten a silver circle necklace. And instead of the over-the-knee textured socks, you could have gotten a jade stone roller or a pure Be Your Selfie palette. Instead of the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick, you could have gotten a 4-piece coaster set or body sliders to work out with, I guess. Okay. And instead of the coconut sugar body cream, you could have gotten an essential oil set. So I think I'm really happy with all the stuff I got. I love Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipsticks. I will definitely use this 100%. And I'm definitely going to be using the gloves and the headband today when I leave, so those will come in handy. The throw feels very cozy and I can't wait to cuddle up with it. I like this a lot. The Oribe dry shampoo I already use and I know I love it, so that's great. The body cream smells amazing and it feels very moisturizing. I really like this. The textured socks feel very cozy, so I will definitely use these. I don't have any long socks, so that's really great. And then lastly, the Thrive Brilliant Eye Brightener crayon thing. I really like this. Popping it in the inner corner did great. I like it so far. I'll have to try it out more. The Ahava Hydration Cream Mask, I will definitely have to try this. Some of these kind of creamy masks break me out, so I will definitely try this and see how I like it. And then the Blaq eye mask, I don't feel like they're anything really special. I feel like they all kind of perform the same, but they feel very, very nice and refreshing under your eyes, so I'll definitely try these out. So overall, I really like all the products that I got in my box this season. I feel like it was a really nice box, and I feel like I got really lucky with all the variations that I got personally. So let me know what variations you got in your FabFitFun box for the winter, and I will see you in my next video.